Hello students, I am here to explain about the summer task of OS 1 by Orchard School System. Before starting the summer task, must remember two things. Do all work on loose sheets, and the second thing is students will be given marks which will be aggregated in final exams. First of all, I'll start with the English. Chapter 1 that is mentioned here is Lisa Goes to London. Do reading of chapter 5, and then kids will solve the exercise of chapter 5 on workbook page 11, part A, page 12, part C, D, and then do reading of chapter 6 and then solve the exercise of this chapter on workbook page 13, part A, B, and C. Then is unit 5, all at C. Do page 25 and then part A, B, and C, and then 27 part B, and page 29 part A, B, and C. Then next question is make sentences of following words. Words are given below. And then question is write and learn words meanings of following words. Words are given below. And then next question is learn and write dictation words. And then next question is write and learn singular plurals of following words. Then next question is write and learn masculine feminines of following words. Words are given below. Then question next is kids have to do the creative writing, and kids have to at least write 6 lines on the topic is my Ramadan routine. Then there is a project that kids have to do. They have to make a family tree and introduce your family members in 4 to 6 lines, and kids have to introduce their family members, each family members, in 4 to 6 lines. And kids have to, then next is they have to solve the attach worksheets. Worksheets are attached. First one is related to the articles. Kids have to solve this exercise of this worksheet. And second, there is a comprehensions. Kids have to read these comprehensions, and then they will write the answers of these questions. Then the second subject is that is arts. Kids have to do the workout of page 3 to 10. And then second question is kids have to make a paper chain python. And then third, kids have to paint with the cotton swab tree. Then next is of science. Science question number 1 is kids have to draw a diagram of a human body. They have to draw it on the chart paper, and then they will label the different organs, like they have to label eyes, they have to label nose, and other body parts. And then question 2 is describe different ways that what must you do to stay healthy. Write in points. Kids have to write in points that what different ways they are using to stay healthy. And then question number 3 is collect different pictures of as many foods as possible. Kids have to collect the pictures of foods, and then they have to arrange them in 2 sets, and they'll healthy food and a junk food. And then later after this they will tell that which food is most important for us and why. Then next question is question number 4. Make a list of slow and fast animals and draw one slow animals and one fast animals. Kids have to draw a picture of a one slow animals, for example it's turtles, and one fast animal, rabbit. And then question number 5 is kids have to collect different objects, and they will relate these objects with their senses, and then they will explain. For example, the examples are given here, like toy, we can see toy and touch it, and also the second one is a flower, we can smell flower and touch it also and can see it. And they have to gather at least 10 objects. Then question number 6 is kids have to do the reading of unit 1 and unit 2 and unit 3. Then next is of Islamiyat. Islamiyat chapters are mentioned here, 2, 3 and 5. And all the chapters that are mentioned here, what kid needs to do, they have to learn the question answers and MCQs of these, and then they have to practice it on the rough register, and the focus on spelling is also important. And next is they have to make a 3D model of Hana Kaaba. And next question is they will collect all famous mosque pictures and they will paste them on a chart paper. And the next question is kids have to write at least 10 lines about Faisal Mosque. And next subject is maths. First one, they have to learn the tables 2 to 4. 2 to 4. And second question is write 10 sums of additions. And then is as I told you earlier that all the work they have to do it on the loose sheets. So 10 sums of addition on any loose sheets, and then 10 sums of subtractions by using any loose sheets. Then do practice of all workbook pages and notes that those are provided earlier to the kids. And then next question is they have to make a chart and show the concept of greater and smaller by using images as well. Next is they have to make a 3D shapes and paste them on chart paper, and shapes are mentioned down. And then there is a next question is they have to make a chart and they have to show the concept of over and under, far and near, right and left, and by using the images as well. And student can take the help of this question from book page 153. And this question is mentioned in the book also, and they can take the help from there. Okay, last one is of Urdu Kitab Motia, and first Isbaq, that is Hissa Adab, chapters that are mentioned here: Hamd, Naat, Achhi Adat, Baat Mano. Tamam asbaq ke alfaz maini, kids have to do the words meaning, then sentences, then question answer, and the dictation. They have to do the these all things, and they have to learn and they have to write. The second part is Hissa Qaid. हिस्सा क्वाइद ऐसे मेरी बिल्ली, देन जानवरों के नाम, वाहिद जमा, जिस्मानी अज़ा बॉडी पार्ट्स, एंड देन मुज़क्कर मोनस इसम की तारीफ़. इनको भी बच्चों ने याद भी करना है और लिखना भी है. देन किताबी सरगर्मियाँ, एंड द बुक पेज इज़ मैंशन हेयर, एंड दे हैव टू डू इट. गुड लक.